Welcome back again. We were discussing about the religion of Adivasis. Adivasis practice a tribal religion which is different from the Christianity, Islam, or Hinduism. They worship their ancestors, village, and nature spirits. Their religion is different from the Christianity, Islam, or Hinduism. They worship their ancestors. They worship the village. They worship the nature spirits. Anyway, Adivasis are influenced by the surrounding religions like Buddhist, Vaishnava, Bhakti, and Christianity. In the 19th century, a large number of Adivasis converted into the Christianity. Now the Christianity became a dominant religion among the Adivasis. Even though the Adivasis religion is different from the mainstream religions like Christianity, Hinduism, and Islam, these religions basically influenced the Adivasis, especially in the modern times. And in the 19th century, so many Adivasis converted into Christianity, and Christianity became now a dominant religion among the Adivasis. Adivasis have their own languages. These languages deeply influenced the mainstream or the formation of the mainstream Indian languages such as the Bengali, Santali. Okay, Adivasis got a different religion. Even though this language is different, this Adivasis or Adivasi language influenced for the formation of the mainstream Indian languages like Bengali language and Santali languages with so many speakers. There are many books published in these languages. Okay, now we will discuss Adivasis and stereotyping. What is the stereotyping? Stereotyping means an opinion or a concept about a person or a group of persons which is far from the reality. Let me tell you once again what is the stereotyping. Stereotyping is an opinion or a concept about a person or a group of persons which is far from the reality. There is no connection with the reality. This is the stereotyping. Adivasis are portrayed in very stereotyping ways. People would like to know only about their colorful customs and their dancings. We only want to know their colorful customs and their dancing, but we know very little about the realities of their lives. This leads to think that they are very primitive. Actually, they are not primitive, they are very progressive. But we want to know, we would like to know only about their colorful customs, their dance, etc., their foods. But actually, we don't know about the reality or the real life or their thoughts and everything. So, this leads to the stereotyping about the Adivasis. So, dear students, repeat the videos and ask your doubts. Okay, thank you everyone.